I had never heard of anything like this before, so I had to try it. So let's dig in, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make same-day crock-pot sourdough sandwich bread. It doesn't look like much, but it is shockingly good. So the night before, just feed your starter. So you have 100 grams of active starter ready in the morning. Now, I didn't do that. I was late getting going, so I fed my starter in the morning, and I still got this done in one day. So I didn't mix my dough until 11 a.m. and I really wanted this loaf for dinner. So here's what I did. In a large bowl, you mix together 360 grams of water, 50 grams of whole wheat flour, 450 grams of bread flour, 100 grams of active sourdough starter, 12 grams of fine sea salt, 15 grams of olive oil, and 10 grams of honey. Mix everything together really well so there are no dry bits left. And the dough will feel soft, slightly tacky, and that is exactly what we want. Because I was short on time, I preheated my oven to my warming setting, and then I turned the oven off once it got to temperature, and I placed my bowl of dough in there with a covered damp dishcloth. And that really sped everything up. It makes a big difference when you're trying to make sourdough in one day, and especially if you start late like I did. So now for the stretch and folds. Every 30 minutes, gently lift one side of the dough, stretch it up and over itself, then turn the bowl and repeat on all four sides. You'll do that for 3 rounds in total. After that last fold, let it continue to bulk ferment in that slightly warm oven until it has risen about 25 to 30%, and it'll look slightly puffy and airy. Now, when it's ready to shape, here's the important part. Because I have a rectangular shaped crock pot, I use a loaf-shaped proofing basket. If your crock pot or slow cooker is round, obviously you can use a round basket. Place the dough seam side up in your proofing basket and let it proof for about an hour. You can use the same turned off warm oven again to help move things along. Now for the crock pot. You want to line it with parchment paper, gently turn your dough seam side down and place it inside. Set your crock pot to high and cook for an hour and 15 minutes. Then place a clean dish towel under the lid to absorb condensation and cook for another 30 to 45 minutes. The bread is done when it reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit inside, so you can use an instant read thermometer for that. When you lift the lid, it's going to look pale on top. It's not going to look like much. That's totally normal. And honestly, this loaf doesn't look that great. It's not dramatic. It's not crusty artisan dough, but it is really tasty. I mean, really good, soft sandwich bread. My husband ate 3 pieces with dinner. He loved it so much. So what I did was I brushed the top generously with melted butter, and I put it under the broiler on high for 3 to 5 minutes. I kept an eye on it just until it was a little lightly golden. Then I let it cool a bit before slicing, and that's it. You have same-day crock-pot sourdough sandwich bread. Slice it, enjoy it. It's ready for dinner, even if you start late like I did. So if you want the full recipe and step-by-step instructions, click on the link in my bio, then go to recipes or go to sourdoughsorcery.com and go to recipes.